Welcome back, continuing the news. Tourist hotspot Negril could soon be self-governed with its own municipality, something stakeholders have long cried for as they believe it would improve the tourism product. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett spoke with our reporter Marda Lyons outside Parliament recently and revealed that this will happen through the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, NARA.
Tourism is a multi-billion-dollar product that hoteliers want nurtured and cared for.
We know what the problem is. And as I continue to say, it's not a money problem. It's how you manage the little asset that you have.
Negril is suffering from leadership. Negril will die if we don't get good leadership.
We're better to speak with Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett about the future of Negril than on the steps of the House of Parliament, the place where promises are made and budgets tabled. Mr. Bartlett says very soon, stakeholders in Negril will have something to smile about.
The whole redevelopment of Negril is on the cards, and the new NARA will be featuring in the repositioning of Negril as not only an important tourism destination, but certainly the expansion of Negril.
That expansion, he assured, will eventually bring forth the formation of a municipality. Now, a municipality is an administrative division with powers of self-government. It acts as a localized governing body led by a mayor and council. Where Negril is concerned, Mr. Bartlett says the municipality,
which will enable a stronger governance for Negril overall, with greater planning and more coordinated efforts to enable standards and quality control to be an important part of the future of that, what will become a municipality.
When Hurricane Melissa struck Jamaica on October 28, 2025, it devastated infrastructure and uprooted lives. The Category 5 system made landfall in Westmoreland. But outside of the destruction, opportunity.
Melissa now gives us a chance to replan, reimagine Negril. And the Prime Minister is leading that charge with the agencies, Factories Corporation, that have been doing reimagining of communities such as Morant Bay, as you recall, Port Antonio. Negril is on the cards for that.
So when all of these things are finished, the people should finally...
It's going to be a new Negril. It's going to be a new Negril. All right?
Marda Lyons, TVJ News.